So I want to show you guys how you can use jQuery to, move stuff around with the keyboard. So we got this little eagle. Basically, we're just gonna make them move left, right, up, down, based on what keys pressed. An important thing is to make sure that whatever you're going to be moving has position relative. Alright, so start doing the coding. Start off with document.ready. Put a function in there. Alright, and what this code means is basically whatever's in here is not going to execute until the HTML is all loaded up and ready. Alright, so let's make a function first. So we're going to make a function called move eagle, and it'll take one parameter, and that'll be the event of key being pressed. We'll just name it a key pressed. Alright, so we're going to want a switch statement based on a key press dot which. And what this is saying, it's basically kind of like parsing the event, which was a key down. And so like every key on your keyboard has some kind of like key code, and this switch kind of extracts it. Alright, so in the case that it's 37, which is the left, we want to move it left. So what we'll do is eagle. So we're going to be getting the element with the ID eagle, which is our image, and we're going to be using the jQuery method animate. And animate takes inside of some brackets like the properties that you want to be kind of like changing. And so we'll be moving, say, left colon, and then in either single quotes or double quotes you can put plus equals 100. This is actually going to be negative equals 100 pixels because when we add 100 to the left property, it kind of moves it to the right. So it's like how many pixels from the left. And so negative will move it kind of like towards the left. Alright, so case 38, case 39, case 40. So 37 is the left, 38 is the up, 39 is the right, and 40 is the down arrow key. Let's not forget our break statements. Also on our default. That'll just break. Okay, so make things easy for myself, just copy and paste. Alright, so 38 is the up arrow key, so instead of left it'll be top. And it'll be going also negative 100 pixels because moving from the top is, as you go down the page, you're actually increasing the amount of pixels away from the top. So going up is towards the top in the negative direction. So 39 is the right arrow key, so we'll just make this one plus equals 100 pixels, and this one will be plus 100 pixels for the down arrow key from the top. Alright. Also, after these little brackets, it can take another parameter like fast or slow, or you could have like in milliseconds. It'll take 1 second for it to transition or animate. We'll just say fast. Okay, and another cool thing you can do is take the event, a keypress dot prevent default. Well, that's going to do is kind of like turn off the default action for the key down. So if we're gonna, like typically if we're gonna press a key, it'd move the page like left, right, up or down based on what key you pressed, and that's kind of annoying. We just want the eagle to move, not the whole page, and so that turns that off. Alright, so now we have our function, but now we need a way to actually be able to call this function. So what we do is, let's say on body, doesn't need a pound sign, but dot click, no, key down, my bad. Oop. And our function or event handler will just be move eagle. And so what the key down does is it, inside wherever it's, where the function's defined, move eagle is a parameter for that function, and basically key down calls move equal and gives it a parameter, which is the event where a key's being pressed. That's why I don't have to explicitly say like move equal with the event, because key down's already doing that for us. This is our callback function actually. Alright, and I think after that it should work. And it did not. Okay. Let's see. I'll try document. Okay, that was our problem. Key down is all lowercase, so body would still work. Body. I guess it's up to you which one you prefer. Yep. And so now the little eagle moves. Alright. Well, that's it. Sorry for how awkward this was.